Welcome guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional privacy policy for your app. So before we start, what you are going to need to create your privacy policy, what you need, number one is a app information like what does your app collect? Is it name, email, developer and others? Data collection details. You are going to need a Google account so that you are going to so for you to visit the Google site, you are going to be using Google site to finish it up, and then your internet connection. So step one to generate the privacy policy is very simple. Just copy this website URL, copy this, and go to another browser, paste it there. Then you scroll down, then click on start. Then what's your app name? Is it simple and others? My app name is so contact information. Let's use this one. Then the policy date. Then if you don't want this date, maybe it's in the future you want to use the privacy policy, you can choose to add your own date for it, but the date is automatically selected. Then you the personal information that I told you about, the information that you are going to be needing, like the information, then you will choose it, which information you use, maybe your app use maybe login or sign up, then maybe you are going to use email and name, then you click on next. Is it free, open source, freemium, ad supported or commercial? My own is free and location is not tracked. Click on next. Is it Android, iOS and others? My own is just Android only. Click on next. Individual or companies, individual, then the developer can put it, and then you take that is the developer name, then you click on next. Then does your app use any third party service? If you are using what's the name, if you are using a Firebase or Superbase for your app, maybe your app is using login, then that means you are using Google Play service. If your app is using analytics for Firebase, then you choose and others like that. Maybe you are using AdMob to earn money, you choose anything you want and you click on next. After clicking on next, then you see, if you check the privacy policy here, this is the privacy policy. You see, then you should just copy the privacy policy like this. Just copy the privacy policy here like this to this place, then you copy. After you copy, what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do, you should just go to this site, Ctrl Z, copy this site, go paste it. The site is google site.google.com. Then when after that, then you click on this blank site, then we are on the page now. Then what I'm going to do is that since you are building a privacy policy, just change this one, Control A, change it to privacy policy. Then you Control A, decrease the size of the text. Then you come here, you come down to this place, scroll. Then I think I prefer this one, I like it. Then you Control A again to change the size. Control A, can choose that is privacy policy. Then you change the color. I say maybe yes, I like this color. Then the name of your app. What is the name of your app? You come back here, then you go to insert, then you click on text box. So you paste what you copy before, paste it there. So this is what I copied before. As you can see, this is the privacy policy applied to Cloud Drop app. So this is the name of the app. Control C. Then you change this to capital letter. Cloud Cloud Drop app. Then you put it here. Control V. Cloud Drop app. If you want, you can also add your image or logo. You can upload it here, but I'm not using it. After that, you check it again, then you publish it. Which name do you want to use? You can use this one. You can use, let's say maybe use policy for, then you input the name of the app, policy for cloud drop, then you publish. You see it has been published, then you go and view the site. Mm. Can you see now? This is how the site look like. Very good. I like it. So you can also do the same thing for your own app. So I will also be dropping the sites, which is a Google site and the other sites for you to generate your own.